Hi, Angela from UCWorkspace here at ISE 2020. I'm with Glenn Waston of Avocor, our platinum partner. He's the VP of EMEA. Glenn, how was the show this week for you?
It was a very interesting show. We obviously saw a lot of traffic on the booth. I think in general it was a bit lower for the whole show, but the quality of the people that came by was very high. The people that had to be here, that were looking for solutions, still made the trip, and it was really worthwhile for us.
It's been a great show for us. Lots of awards, lots of traffic here. We've been really excited about the week. What did you think about the week and some of the new introductions we had this week in our partnership?
Yeah. We really got some good feedback from our customers that came also to look at yours. I think from the IT perspective, your UCCentral platform really ties out our products together. The integration that you've done, the control of software and hardware was really well received. Obviously, they all know quick launch and they appreciate that already, but also your new WEAV product, how you tie things together and engage people in the meeting room was really something that resonated with the people. So.
Well, we were sure happy to share it here. We did it live on Wednesday, the first worldwide introduction of WEAV. We've won a lot of awards for it and really excited about it. So what's next for Avocor and your growth in EMEA this year?
Yeah. Well, we really started a new program, partner program, pricing program with in Europe. We're going to obviously make that a little bit more deeper entrenched. We really want to activate our resellers and try to get into the larger Fortune 500 companies, getting them trained, getting them understanding what every product represents, and then really making the business grow. I mean, we have high growth ambitions, and it's looking based on what we see on the show that we're going to be able to succeed on that.
That's fantastic. Also, you'll notice later this month, early next month, that there's a special quick launch version for Avocor. It's got interoperability and other things that are optimized for the Avocor displays. Look for it at UCWorkspace.com and check it out on Avocor.com.
Thank you.